Hi, my name is Marie Cruz.
And I'm Lewis Prescott, and we are the authors of the book, Contract Testing in Action.
As teams move away from monolithic applications to microservices architecture, they face new challenges when it comes to testing because the integration points for these services increases exponentially. Different teams can deploy at different times or even at the same time, which can result in unexpected changes getting deployed to production. How do you ensure that the integration points are tested well and that your test gives you the highest confidence that it's not going to break anything in production?
This is where contract testing can help. Contract testing checks the compatibility of an API or service by validating it against an agreed contract, which can uncover integration issues early and add valuable transparency to compatibility expectations.
So, in its simplest definition, contract testing is a type of testing where you test that at least two systems have a shared understanding of expectations.
In this book, you would learn the core concepts and recommended practices of contract testing and how it differs from other testing types. We'll also provide tips on introducing contract testing to your team and other business stakeholders.
We'll also discuss the difference between consumer-driven and provider-driven or bidirectional contract testing. Through our hands-on examples, you'll learn how to introduce contract testing, whether you're using REST APIs, GraphQLs, or even event-based driven architectures.
You'll also learn how to integrate contract tests as part of your continuous integration pipeline and how you can convert some of your existing integration tests to contract tests.
So if you're interested to deep dive into what contract testing is really about,
Head to Manning now and grab a copy of Contract Testing in Action.